Standard equations of parabola. What are the standard equations of parabola? That's what we need to ponder upon. So we have basically 4 standard equations of parabola. In all these 4 standard equations, the vertex of this parabola is always origin. So in all the 4 standard equations of parabola, the vertex is always equal to the origin. So we can say that the vertex always lies on 0, 0. So first we'll see the most standard equation which is used everywhere, and we'll try to derive this equation. Y square is equal to 4ax. This is the most basic equation of a parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax. Now we'll try to derive this equation. We know that the vertex of this parabola is 0, 0. We can easily check that by putting the value of 0, 0 over here, and it satisfies. That means that this point 0, 0 lies on the parabola, and this will be the vertex of this parabola. Okay. So how do we find this equation? Let's assume a parabola whose focus is at a, 0 and the vertex is at 0, 0. So can you tell me the feet of the directrix? The feet of the directrix and the focus. These two are the backward and the forward ends. I know that the vertex will be the midpoint of the foot and the focus. So this point will come out to be minus a, 0. Now this line is x-axis. The line parallel to the y-axis will be perpendicular to this axis. So this will be our directrix. So the equation of directrix will easily become x is equal to minus a, or x plus a is equal to 0. So this is the equation of directrix. And we also have this focus. Now the parabola will look something like this. Right? We know that the distance between the focus and the point and the line, these two distances are equal. If we try to equate these two distances, this is x, y. This will become x minus a whole square plus y square under root. This value is equal to x plus a. Right? So I will get this equation. Divide by under root just 1 square. So this doesn't count. So that's why I'm not writing this one. So this will be the general equation of the parabola. If we try to simplify this equation, I will get x minus a whole square plus y square is equal to x plus a whole square. So I will get y square is equal to 4ax. So this is the most standard equation of the parabola. Now see, we'll derive the other results in this parabola. So in this parabola, I will find all the details of this parabola. The first detail is that the focus of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax lies on a, 0. So a, 0 will always be the focus of this parabola. And the directrix of this parabola will always be x plus a is equal to 0. Right? So I know the focus, that is equal to a, 0, and the directrix is given by x plus a is equal to 0. Now next thing, we'll try to calculate, and also the vertex. That is pretty much obvious. The vertex is 0, 0 and this foot is minus a, 0. Right? Now let's find out. We did two things, two types of chords we discussed. First was focal chord and second was double ordinate. And then we found a chord which was also a double ordinate and also the focal chord. That chord was called the latus rectum. So in this case, we'll try to see what is the latus rectum over here. So we know that the latus rectum will be the double ordinate 3 focus. So we know that latus rectum will be perpendicular to the axis. If this line is perpendicular to the x-axis, the x coordinate of the endpoints of these two are a only. So this point is a and this point is also a. So we can say that these 2 points are a. Now I'll try to find the y coordinates of these 2 points. They will come out to be by putting the value of x is equal to a here, I will get y square is equal to 4a square. So y comes out to be plus minus 2a. So this point is plus 2a and this point is minus 2a. Right? So I will get this length is equal to 4a. So I can say that the length of the latus rectum, I am denoting it by L.